Uploading assignments in Blackboard is an important skill because you will use it throughout this course. Usually at the college level, deadlines are not extended for the student's failure to properly upload assignments. For that reason, I want to take the time to go over this with you. First, find the assignment prompt in Blackboard. Look for the icon that has a piece of paper, pencil, and ruler, which tells you that it is an assignment. You can open the assignment by selecting the assignment title. You get the due date and possible points at the top and the directions next. There may be a document attached which includes additional instructions relating to the assignment. We do not have such a document in this case. Next, you get two options. Text submission, where you could copy and paste a submission right into a text box. In this course, we use the second option, attach files, because you are required to upload Word files for every assignment. So you will select Browse My Computer and locate the document that you saved, hopefully in your cloud account, not on a flash drive or in a personal computer where they can be lost. When you find the document, select it and hit Open on the bottom right of the box. Now, this is key. Instead of hitting the Submit button, hit Save Draft. Then you can go back into the assignment by selecting the title and reopening it. You will see your saved assignment, which hasn't yet been submitted. You can open it now to make sure that it's what you actually wanted to submit. Often students submit the wrong assignment or submit something that's not a Word document and not readable in Blackboard. By saving first, you can check your submission. Because once you submit, you cannot clear the submission and try again, and you risk a late assignment. If it is an incorrect submission, you hit continue, and then you just mark it for removal, browse your computer, and select the correct document. When you're finally sure you have the correct document, you can hit Submit. You can still go back into your assignments to check your submission. Note, I'm going to save the draft for a second. If you see this blue circle next to your attempt, that means that your submission had some internet interruption and you will need to resubmit it. If you cannot resubmit it, email your instructor immediately so that you can clear the submission and try again. This is how you submit an assignment. So we will hit continue. We're going to use this one, submit. I don't see the light blue box anymore. Okay. And this is how you submit an assignment, and I hope that you have found this lesson helpful.